Harvest International School. Education comes from living life, following passions, accessing information, observing, reflecting and being inspired by wise and courageous mentor in the community. Education is an essential thing for every individual, be it a 3-year-old or 18 years young. Everyone must have learning that stays with them for their lifetime. Harvest International School provides a platform for the students of all diversities, and our programs are taught in English with far-reaching language support. We bring a wide collection of options for students' education, and our vision is to stay on the grounds that represent educational height. Harvest is affiliated with Cambridge Assessment and International Curriculum, supporting world-class education with its unique tennis academy from 2005. We allow proper encouragement and enthusiasm, which leads students to be a part of sports activities of all kind and participate in cultural events for an overall cohesive development of the students. We prefer holistic inquiry-based education and create internationally mindful thinkers with an unending passion for their own community.
The most important aspect that sets our school apart from the rest is that here students are given the freedom to think on their own and not to make simply do rote learning. The student-teacher bond is at the heart of our philosophy, where children are never stopped from meeting their mentors, whether they face an issue, be it academics or general life. Of course, with teacher being around 24/7, it is a clear advantage to our students. Our approach is child-centric, and that is why we have consciously chosen the Cambridge International Curriculum, which stresses limited numbers in each class, thereby making learning meaningful. Similarly, we encourage our parents and guardians to come and share their concern. This ensures transparency in the way we function.
We personally believe that the best learning happens outside the campus. We try to bring up plenty of opportunities to give our students endeavor into the world fearlessly and with courage. The knowledge that our students carry help them to develop extracurricular skills as well as make them a lifelong learners. Education is the key contribution for the growth itself and acts as a catalyst to enhance the personal aptitude of the students. We believe our homely and incredible learning environment is fundamental to every individual student life. We try to enrich students with creativity and innovation and provide them with comfortable environment to explore their potential. Our campus has a wide variety of sporting options, clubs, and many kinds of after-school activities.
Harvest is just not a name or school or an academy. It is what you are shaped as after becoming a part of it. A holistic development and creation of good human being has been our dream since the time of inception. A visionary establishment of Asia's finest tennis academy was the brainchild of our president, Mr. Harvinder Sarang. The Tennis Academy, commenced in the year 2005, has produced a number of players including national champion who hails from the village Jasowal. During the initial years of academy, the need of providing formal education to the players from all over the world was felt, which led to the building of Harvest International School in the year 2009 as an offshoot of the academy to support the academic needs of the players. With an international curriculum that transforms children into the confident individuals who are able to embrace the challenges and opportunities of adult life. The wondrous journey from 4 to 400 and still counting has been inspiring, and it is a matter of great pride to be associated with it. At Harvest, we believe academics and training alone don't shape the youth. It is the experiences gained which have an everlasting effect on the children, and we at Harvest help them learn and develop through those experiences.
The entire staff has the wisdom of experience and is also equipped with latest knowledge and schooling techniques. Our aim is to achieve academic results along with teaching fine arts, dramatics, music and dance. With well-equipped science laboratories and vast computer lab to create proactive students, our learning is continuous, supported by endless amount of books we have at our diverse library.
We are a very happy school community. We try creating an atmosphere for our children wherein every single student is productively engaged, wearing a big smile on the face. The curriculum which we offer primarily focuses on the skill development. This helps our children become 21st century learners. Our children are confident, they are risk takers, they are inquirers, and they are very, very open-minded. We have handpicked staff members from different parts of the country. Our classes are student-centric with a focus on independent learning. One of the special things about being a Cambridge International School is that we have got a bouquet of subjects on offer. This allows our children to select subject based on their individual choices. We are a SAT center also. Our students need not go to other parts of the country for appearing in the SAT examinations anymore. The school is also in the process of setting up a full-fledged career counseling center. Many of our students have already got placements in various universities of our country and abroad.
Our techniques behind learning are unremitting and practical, and all the mentors undergo skill training with Cambridge International Examinations. At Harvest, we recognize the most impressionable age of a child life is the pre-primary age, and we bring learning to them in a simple way in order to provide them comfortable environment to enjoy the education. World's best universities and employers accept our worldwide qualifications. Our operational and philosophical aspects are completely holistic, enriched with art, sports as well as academics. We understand the value of each and every student, and we have a moral duty to bring up our students with ethical commitment, as we personally believe only being a principled and knowledgeable person can make this world a better place.
We have 15 acres of land in the campus, and it's pollution free most of the time, and it's healthy for the kids. Yes, so for the tennis academy I started in 2005, and my inspiration came from my college times when the rich students only could play tennis. It's a very expensive game. Kids from the village, they are getting free training in tennis. Now my focus is mostly in the education side. Harvest School is doing very good with the help of the principal, vice principal and director of campus. They are really focused to achieve bigger things in education. We are lucky to have a good team here. We have to expand more hostel, and the safety of the children is very important. Discipline is important too. we are very much keen for our children to be ethical, and we try to teach them to be ethical, to be honest, to focus whatever thing they like. If they like education, they focus on education. If they like to play some game, we have all kind of games, soccer, tennis, basically we have everything. Also we teach chess too in the school. As far my school is concerned, we are doing very good. We are not only focused on education, but we go in all other directions like sports, and our kids are very good performing on the stage from junior to senior classes. They are very comfortable in speaking in the public. So most of the kids, they can speak other language too, especially English.
Intellectual ability is also not enough to determine an individual's worth, but his input for the betterment of our world. We at Harvest International School keep in mind all the aspects for overall growth of every student.